Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we try to explain science in 2 minutes. But hey, sometimes the universe has too much to say. So sit back. This one's worth the extra time. Have you ever found yourself staring at the ceiling, unable to sleep, even when you're exhausted? You're not alone. Millions struggle with falling asleep, and science has a lot to say about why. First, blame your brain. Your body runs on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm, which tells you when to wake up and when to sleep. But modern life messes with it. Blue light from phones and screens tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, stopping the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Then there's stress and anxiety. When you're worried, your brain stays in high alert, flooding your body with cortisol, a stress hormone that keeps you awake. Ever had racing thoughts at bedtime? That's your brain refusing to power down. But what if your body just isn't tired enough? Our ancestors spent their days moving, hunting, farming, and gathering. Today, many of us sit all day, barely using up energy. If your body doesn't feel like it needs rest, sleep won't come easily. Regular exercise, even a short walk, some gardening or stretching, can help you sleep better. Just avoid intense workouts right before bed. And what about caffeine and late-night snacks? Coffee, tea, and even chocolate can keep you wired for hours. Eating too close to bedtime makes your body focus on digestion instead of sleep. Your environment also matters. Too much noise, an uncomfortable bed, or even the wrong temperature can keep you tossing and turning. Your body sleeps best in a cool, dark, and quiet room. So how can you fix it? Move more during the day, exercise, take a walk, or do some gardening. Limit screen time an hour before bed. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or reading. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. And of course, cut back on caffeine in the evening. Improving your sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's crucial for your brain, mood, and overall health. Thanks for watching, and as always, sweet dreams. At Orbital Adventures, we're not just exploring science, we're inspiring the next generation too. We're encouraging kids to explore the world around them through fun and engaging stories. Scan the QR code now to discover our books and spark a love for adventure and learning.